Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a community on Messenger. So let's dive into our Messenger, a community, a private chat whereby you have more than 2 people living together in one place. So let's go. You are going to go to your Messenger, click on Messenger, then if you see here, type on the storyline button here and scroll down and click on create community. So now click on try it, and which community do you want to create? Is it about neighborhood or city or social, campus, hobbies and interest or game? Choose it. I'm going to click on social, and this is it. Add image. You're going to name the community. Let me click now the community like my, okay, let me say my guns. You can see, and if you want to enter in the description, this is optional. It is an image, you can add image to your, and now you require approval to join. Whoever don't need to be approved, you can change this anytime. So you just have to, you can see the community, click on you can see the community, you can see, just click OK. So you can see, and this is it. This is it. Then you can preview your community, the main chat, the announcement, event planning, everything. Just click on create community, and you have create a community whereby you just go there and add people that you wanted to add, and that is very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.